Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye burst into national consciousness when he contested and won the election into Nigeria's House of Representatives from 2007 to 2011 to represent Akoko Northeast Northwest Federal Constituency of Ondo State. He gave of his best, playing a strategic role in influencing the siting of many developmental projects to Ondo State and other parts of the country. However, Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye has been very close to his people in Ikare, Ondo State. In fact, his record as the youngest chairman of the Akoko Northeast Local Council of Ondo State is yet to be beaten. He was also a member of the board of Ondo State Primary Education Board. Under the stewardship of Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye as the chairman of Ondo State Waste Management Authority during the regime of the late Governor Olusegun Agagu, Akure, the capital of Ondo State, was adjudged the second cleanest state capital in Nigeria. Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye was a member of the Ondo State Football Association between 1998 and 2000, chairman of Ondo State Table Tennis Association, vice chairman of Ondo State Sports Development Committee between 2005 and 2009, chairman Rising Stars Football Club Akure from 2004 to 2007, proprietor of Ikare United Football Club, member NFA Fair Play Committee from 2004 to 2007, President Youth Sports Federation of Nigeria, Ondo State Chapter between 2003 and 2009. Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye served as a member of the Ministerial Committee on the Reform of Football Administration in Nigeria. From this trajectory, which has been on an assailable ascendancy over the years, backed by proper educational grounding, which include a Bachelor of Arts degree from the University of Ife, now Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, and Master's degree from Ondo State University, Ado-Ekiti. The appointment of Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye as the Director General of the National Sports Commission by former President Goodluck Jonathan in 2013 was considered as an appointment that would add a lot of value to sports development, especially at a time when Nigeria sports needed a total overhaul and re-engineering. Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye brought his vast experience and connections to bear, and before too long, there was marked change in the fortune of Nigerian sports as Nigerian athletes, sportsmen and women began to win international laurels across the globe. Under Gbenga Elegbeleye as Director General of the National Sports Commission, the Golden Eaglets of Nigeria won the FIFA Under-17 World Cup, a record fourth time, by beating Mexico 3-0. This was followed by the spectacular performance of Nigerian female lifters at the 2013 Commonwealth Games in Malaysia. The home-based Eagles placed third in the African Nations Championship held in South Africa. Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye also led the Team Nigeria to the Commonwealth Games in Scotland, where Nigeria recorded her best outing so far in the history of the Commonwealth Games. Team Nigeria also emerged the best team at the 2014 Marrakesh, Morocco African Athletics Championships in Marrakesh, Morocco in 2014. Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye has been instrumental to the sponsorship of over 600 Ondo State indigents who have traveled to Europe, America, Asia, and South Africa for training and further studies. Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye was recently appointed as a member of the CAF Disciplinary Board. He is a recipient of several awards, Fellow of African Business School, Patron Sports Writers Association of Nigeria, Ondo State, and Patron Nigerian Union of Journalists, Ondo State. The point being strongly made here is that Honorable Gbenga Otolorin Elegbeleye has served his people in Ikare, Akoko Division of Ondo State and Nigeria in different capacities, where he has made a lot of difference and touched many lives positively. The selfless qualities and impressive achievements of Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye were appreciated recently when the monarch of Ikare land in Ondo State, His Royal Highness Oba Akodiri Momo, with the blessing of the Traditional Rulers Council, decided to honor him with one of the most prestigious chieftaincy titles in Ikare, the Otumba of Ikare, Akoko, in the Northeast Local Government area of Ondo State. As to be expected, all roads led to Ikare, Ondo State on Saturday, 20th of February 2016, the day set for the conferment of the prestigious title on Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye. Friends, admirers, and family members of Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye from different spheres of life from within and beyond Nigeria registered a huge presence at the event to solidarize with him. However, as someone who appreciates the divine hand of God in all his achievements in life so far, Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye, his wife, children, and family members and friends began the day on a prayerful note to seek God's guidance. Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye was blessed by the clergymen. After having been spiritually fortified, Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye, his wife, children, and family members headed for the palace of the Olukare of Ikare in Ondo State, His Royal Highness Oba Akaduri Momo, where a very impressive assemblage of dignitaries from far and wide had converged for the ceremony. Of course, there was traditional music at its very best to properly set the tone for the commencement of the event. His Royal Highness Oba Akaduri Momo was the conferment of the traditional chieftaincy title on Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye. This proceeding went through the normal process, with Oba Akaduri Momo dictating the pace before the final decoration of Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye with a full paraphernalia of his office as Otumba of Ikare land. To put a final seal to the conferment of Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye as the Otumba of Ikare land, he was presented with a certificate and instrument of office by the Olukare of Ikare, His Royal Highness Oba Akaduri Momo. In his acceptance remarks, Otumba Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye expressed his profound thanks to all present for the great honor done him. He thanked the monarch of Ikare land for deeming him worthy of such great honor and promised that he will continue to put Ikare land first in all his undertakings, because Ikare has played a major role in whatever he has become today. Now armed with the sword of honor, looking very attractive in the rich traditional garb he wore, Otumba Gbenga Elegbeleye danced alongside his wife, Mrs. Sholakwe Elegbeleye, and children, and others joined him in warm and hearty felicitation. As the second person in the history of Ikare land to be installed, the huge responsibility expected of him by virtue of his position is not lost on Otumba Gbenga Elegbeleye, as he affirmed in the special interview he granted BOS. His wife of 2 decades, Mrs. Sholakwe Elegbeleye, thanked God for the great honor done to her husband, but said that he really deserved it, going by his attributes of selfless service to the Ikare community.
I feel good, I feel great, when your people honor you. It's better than one award from some external people, but it's purely homegrown award, chieftaincy title. It's a very, very big title here to be Otumba of a big town like Ikare here. So I'm really very honored, because it's the second time they will be giving it to someone. So this is the second time an indigenous of Ikare will be installed as an Otumba. The very first Otumba was the late Otumba Ajobifele of blessed memory. So I'm the second Otumba. For the second time somebody is being given an Otumba. So I feel privileged, I feel honored, and I'm really very happy.
He loves to help people. and that's the kind of person he is. He just wants to sell, and maybe and because the community, they found out that okay, this is a man that has been so good and be like up and doing all this, so he deserves this. Because my husband has been turning down Chief Secretary for a very long time. They have been disturbing, do this and all that. But this time around, I said, well, there's nothing you can do. You just have to. It's an honor that you cannot just turn out. So that is why, and I'm happy for him.
The monarch, His Royal Highness Oba Kaduri Momo, spoke in glowing terms of the new Otumba of Ikare Land, Otumba Honorable Gbenga Elegbeleye, as a very reliable person.
He has the capability, he has the courage, he has the strength, he has the knowledge, he has everything you can think of, everything that is possible, that is good, that you can think of. The chief, he has it. No, this is somebody that really rely. You know, we have several meetings, and everybody in each of the meeting, they always suggest, his name is always suggested that they should give him the chieftaincy.
The reception, which took place at Victory School, Ikare, witnessed the presence of many more dignitaries from the sports world, like Coach Samson Siasia, prominent players in the Nigerian music industry, government circles, past and present office holders, as well as some traditional rulers and titled chiefs from Ondo State. The newly installed Otumba of Ikare Land, Otumba Gbenga Elegbeleye, his wife and children, played the perfect host, seeing to it that everyone was well catered for. Bonswe Fuji exponent Adewale Ayuba was the main artist that performed. The very happy celebrant, the new Otumba of Ikare Land, Honorable Otumba Gbenga Elegbeleye, sang and danced to display his joy. The presence of Ondo State Governor Dr. Olusegun Mimiko tilted the event a notch higher. Governor Olusegun Mimiko also gave his gubernatorial approval to the choice of Honorable Otumba Gbenga Elegbeleye as the occupier of that most exalted chieftaincy position in Ikare Land, with a long stretch of friends, well-wishers, and family members. From then on till the end of the event, it was music and feel-good gestures. Biscon Communications heartily congratulates the newly installed Otumba of Ikare Land, Honorable Otumba Gbenga Otolorin Elegbeleye.